now that we're in the calm. Oh man, what a crazy morning. Anyway, I'm going to go through some of my settings here. I'm just in a spot out of the wind just to show everyone my settings. My settings doesn't mean it's good for you, doesn't mean it's good for your lake, but it does well for me. So first thing, we go to sonar setup, appearance, color scheme. I got yellow. And then what I also do is hit the power button, go to color mode, and select night colors. That's what gets me this screen. So right now I'm in 15.5 feet. I have 75 feet out. I double it for, so I got her out at 30 feet. You can see some fish over in 65. Now gain, we'll go back here. What I do with gain is as soon as I get to a spot, I hit that. I hit auto and I hit 1, 2, 3. I kind of usually kick her up a few notches. When you're in deeper water, it'll be way different. But here, we'll kick her down. I like a little bit of clutter on the screen, but we'll keep her at 70. That's pretty clear. Now for noise reject, I got it on low. Ghost reject, I have it on low. I kind of play with those every once in a while. TVG, I just turn off. I don't even use it. So now you go to installation. Install depth, I have it at 1.5 feet. That allows me to see the splash of the lure when it hits the water. Calibrate compass, I haven't done that for a bit, but I would suggest that you do it once every few times out. It makes a big difference. Orientation, auto, focus on auto fresh. Stabilization, always have it on. Alright, now you go to, back to there. Appearance, color gain. Right now I have it at 100. But you can kick that down a bit. I like it high. Color limit, that's what you always got to play with. That all depends on where you're fishing. You can put it on default, lots of guys like it, but I got her about 60%. I move that up and down. Trails off, bottom fill off. So really, those are my settings. Simple. Works for me, might not work for you. Everyone has their own choice, especially when it comes to color. So yeah, I hope it helps out. And I hope you hammer some big walleye.